Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable logging on the Maps.me application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Click to the more option at the upper right corner of the home screen. Click to the settings at the middle of the screen, and you go to the last section, the report, and you can find the second button, the enable logging. Actually, I don't use this function, but if you want to turn on, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. If you want to turn off, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.